I am a part-time reseller, really temporarily a full-time reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. I have made a little over $2,700 in sales, pretty much just doing something really fun instead of cleaning my room. I'll get to that. I just graduated from the Wharton School of Business at the University of Pennsylvania at the end of May. So just a couple months ago. It was a virtual graduation, which sucked, but totally get that. Making money is awesome. That's literally what this video is about for the most part. But I am someone who really likes to chill, walk my dogs, spend time at home if I can afford to do that. So I'm number one source of personal inventory since I was like 10 years old. Thanks, Mom, for teaching me that. So I begrudgingly began to put a few articles of clothing in my closet. And then I realized this is a waste of time because I'm probably not gonna wear a lot of this ever again. And the previous year, I hadn't even worn a lot of it. So like some brand new Melvilles, just clothes that I knew I was never gonna wear again for whatever reason. And don't get me wrong, donating is awesome. I still do it. But you know, when I was putting these clothes away, I realized, okay, maybe I can have an opportunity to sell some of this stuff, like on eBay. Why not see if some of this has resale value? And you know, I hate to just throw clothes away. Not that donating is throwing it away, but at the end of the day, a lot of the stuff at Goodwill does not get sold and still ends up in landfills. I'm so excited to be part of this tutorial on how to order free shipping supplies from USPS online. And these supplies will be delivered directly to your doorstep. Exactly how to do this. So first, go to just the regular USPS website, and you will have to create an account, which takes only a couple of minutes. I think you just have to put in your basic information. So once you've done that, just go to this top bar, go to Quick Tools, go down to Free Boxes. We love that free. From here, I click Business Supplies. And then you have these filters off to the side, which will just help you narrow down your search and finding what you're looking for a little bit quicker. So I'm gonna click Priority Mail, since that's what we're mainly talking about today. And I'm also gonna click Flat Rate. Perfect. So as a reseller, there are 4 specific items on this page that I would recommend you order.
And lately it's been getting boring, standing up on 16 stories high.
You guys know I typically explore Manhattan on my days off because I'm lazy and usually stay close to home, but today I have the absolute pleasure of heading over to Brooklyn to visit one of my friends who lives there. construed even remotely as surrealist. Maybe I'll do a little bronzer just to get some tan on my pale face. Lord knows I need it. But, you know, get that out of the shot. Okay, I forgot it's nighttime. I'm gonna do slightly darker eyeshadow. Come on, Taylor, live a little. It's not that much darker, is it? Yeah, I guess it is. Normally I'd be getting ready with music on. So shuffle my 2022 playlist.
Shuffling 2022 from Spotify.
Nice. Ah, got my eyeball. Anyway, it's not as flattering on the camera as it is in real life, I promise. Yeah, sure, Taylor, sure. For something like this, I should be doing glitter, but I'm not gonna. I'm saying I should. Ah. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm planning on putting out a new video every week, so I will see you very soon. Thanks guys, have a good one. Bye.